Hey, ready to dive into a brand new tier list concept? We're presenting a comparison between Adobe Stock and Shutterstock across key categories and levels. Welcome back. In case you're not familiar, Shutterstock and Adobe Stock are marketplaces where you can sell your content, including photos, 3D models, vectors, illustrations, videos, and templates. If you're curious about becoming a contributor on Shutterstock and Adobe Stock, check out the tutorial on my YouTube channel, Facebook, or TikTok. Let's start with contributor application. Both Adobe Stock and Shutterstock make it super easy to get started. You don't actually have to apply to sell your content. That's why I mark this as level 1 for both platforms, because it's hustle-free and anyone can start selling content. Let's move on to the content types accepted category. Adobe Stock accepts a wide array of content, including videos, photos, illustrations, vectors, Photoshop templates, and even lower third templates for Premiere Pro. However, if you're planning to submit lower third templates, you need to reach out to them for approval first. They also welcome 3D models for Adobe Dimension and Photoshop. Similarly, Shutterstock takes a diverse range too: photos, 3D models for Photoshop, vectors, illustrations, videos, and Photoshop templates. I rank both as level 1 here because they're both very versatile and welcoming when it comes to accepted content types. Next, let's look at the ways to earn. Both platforms pay you royalties whenever someone downloads your work. However, there are slight differences. With Shutterstock, there's an extra twist. They not only earn royalties from downloads but also accept more content into datasets and may license your work to third parties. This additional opportunity can boost your income, which is why I ranked Shutterstock as level 1 in this category. Adobe Stock, on the other hand, offers royalties from downloads, despite potentially higher rates per download. And they might use your content to train Adobe Firefly. However, without the extra licensing option, I rank Adobe Stock as level 2 for ways to earn. This ranking is solely based on the variety of earning methods each platform offers. Next, let's look at quality standards. Both platforms have high quality bars. Adobe Stock has very strict standards. The approval rate is low unless your work is both high quality and unique. In contrast, Shutterstock also requires top-notch work but offers a bit more flexibility with a two-tier system. One section is their marketplace, which only accepts premium, polished work, while the other is a dataset for AI training, which is a bit more lenient. Because of this flexible two-tier system, I rank Shutterstock as level 1 for quality standards since it gives you an extra chance to get approved with the dataset option. I rank Adobe Stock as level 2 because they maintain a single, strict set of quality standards for all submissions. Lastly, let's talk about how quickly your content gets reviewed. Both Shutterstock and Adobe Stock typically get your submissions reviewed in about 1 day or 2 days. That speed is awesome for keeping your momentum going. So, I put review time at level 1 for both, because fast review means you can move on to more uploads and start earning sooner. Don't forget to like, follow, or subscribe, and check out our other tutorials. If you enjoyed this tier list concept or have ideas for similar tutorials, please share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what topics interest you most. Also, share this video with anyone who might benefit from using Shutterstock and Adobe Stock or selling their own content on these platforms. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.